Children are getting sexually abused.
Children are getting sexually harassed.
Children are getting raped.
9 years old raped by her brother.
8 years old became a victim of sexual abuse.
12-year-old body ravished.
And what is
Society doing?
चुप रहो, don't speak up.
तुम्हारी गलती थी.
you enjoyed it.
No one will trust you.
We tried to keep them quiet.
But till when?
Not my fault. I was scared. मुझे मेरा हक नहीं पता था. I never understood. Educate us about our rights.
हमें बताओ,
हमें समझाओ, हमें बचाओ.
दो जानकारी
और बनो मददगार.
Help me, help us.
I, Ridhima, will raise my voice.
I, Manik, will raise my voice.
I, Ishita, will raise my voice.
I, Abhay, will raise my voice.
I, Shubham, will raise my voice.
We will raise our voice against child sexual abuse. And you?
This is